Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be covering sprouting for eating like you do alfalfa sprouts, but this is different vegetables you can use for sprouting. I will be going over some of the seeds that I use for sprouting to add to salads and wraps and things of that sort. I will also cover the website that I use to order mine from. And then I will do a follow-up, a series of the progress of my seeds as they begin to sprout. So this will start, and then a follow-up video will be regarding, the process of, of them growing and ready to harvest. So, all right, so this is the first part of the video. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone. I thought I would take you to the website. I will link it in the description box below. But this is a website that I come to get my seeds for sprouting. So things you put on top of your salads. There's more than just that. There's a whole bunch of seeds that you can sprout for eating. But this is a website. It's True Leaf Market. And this is the home page, and if you go down, you can see that they have everything, guys, just everything for the gardener, everything for healthy eating, from seeds to sprouting seeds to cover crops to merch, gift ideas, supplies, pet products, for fermenting, for those who want to learn or get into fermenting. Yeah, so I guess even tobacco leaves. Wow, I didn't know that. I don't smoke or use tobacco, so I'm not interested in that. Down to mushrooms, everyone. But this is what I come here for, especially. I have bought seeds from here, seeds for my garden, but sprouting seeds, this is where I go to. And if I click on here, and over here you will see that, I guess, how they highlight the seeds according to the letters. So if it's a H, it's heirloom, or organic, or it's a AAS winner or staff favorite. So you see that here that this represents organic, heirloom, organic. So yes, everyone, these are the seeds that you can get for sprouting, in particular for eating, not necessarily for growing. This is different because these are seeds that are free from any pesticides and things of that, so that you're eating the fresh sprouts from the seeds. Okay, so if you're not sure what it is that you would like to try, you can just try anything, or you can get their beginners seed packs over here. They also have a seed assortment over here for sprouting, or you can just pick individual seeds. So again, you can see they're coded right here, but there's a bunch of seeds that you can purchase for sprouting. You can put them on top of your soups, and you can put them in sandwiches and wraps, and you can top them almost on any dish that you prepare. So I just wanted to show you this, everyone. I just think it's a great resource. There's probably other sites, but I've had, really good experience with this company here. And no, I'm not sponsored. I don't get anything out of this. I'm just passing along information. So yes, everyone. Also gotten my wheatgrass from here as well. So I'm going to start off with my least favorite to my favorite. So starting off, this is Chinese Cap Cabbage. What they'll give you is the information on here that they're Chinese cabbage sprouts, and the flavor makeup, and the serving size, the yield, how long to soak them, and then how to, right here is the rinse and drain, how many times per day, 2 to 3 times a day, and about 3 to 6 days they should be ready to eat. Okay, so each one is different. So this one is 2 tablespoons. Next up is broccoli. I love broccoli. This one here, that's the information on that one. Then we have, this one is a 5-part, you can tell I've been using this. 5-part salad sprouting mix. And it has alfalfa, radish, mung bean, lentil, broccoli, all combined into one. So if you can see, those are multiples. And then here is my ultimate favorite, which is onion. So I love the onion sprouting seeds. And this one takes the longest. This takes 10 to 15 days, everyone. Are basically the seeds that you get for planting in your garden. Okay, but these are meant for sprouting and eating, as opposed to being harvested from the plants and then directly used as seeds. And then the radish ones. Here's the radish, that's what they look like. And then this is the Chinese cabbage. They're the quickest. It only takes between 3 and 6 days to harvest these. So, okay, now I'm going to show you what I do first and what I use to sprout my seeds. So this is what I use to sprout my seeds. I use a regular ball mason jar. This is a wide mouth. And then I purchased these sprouting strainers that goes on top of here. And then the lid that comes with the jar goes on top. And then there you have it. And that's how this is what I use to sprout my seeds. So I'm going to do broccoli. I already have onions already going, but it's the same process. This one here requires 2 tablespoons. 1. 2. Now, out of I have the Berkey Light here. I like this one because I can see how much water I have. But I'm going to cover my seeds so I can soak them. It doesn't require a whole lot of water, okay? So now I have my strainer lid in here, and then I'm just gonna put that on. And then I'm gonna let this soak for up to 8 hours. Then I'm gonna drain them, and then I'm gonna do this. So this is my onion seeds. So I rinse and drain them, and they're now sitting in my dish strainer draining. So that's what I will be doing to this, is that I will drain it and then leave it in my dish drainer. And then it says to 2 to 3 times a day, rinse and drain. So I want to just add that sprouting your own seeds at home, it brings many amazing benefits. It increases the bioavailability of nutrients and vitamins and minerals. They're easily digestible, as well as you can have a larger variety sprouting your own at home. If you buy them from the store, you're limited to what you can purchase. There also may be potential for any contamination, any bacterial growth. If you purchase them from the store, you can better control that at home. Yeah, so look into it, you guys. Add it to your salads, on top of your soups. You can add them to wraps. You can put them in, just make tacos, and instead of lettuce, you can put sprouts on top. There's so many things you can do with them. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, the website offers a huge variety that you can try out and see what you like the best. So stay tuned for additional videos that I will go through and show you the progress of my seed sprouting as they come along. You can purchase stands for your ball jar so that it can drain and be at the right angle for drainage. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye now.